DNP3 is an industrial protocol that's enabled the communication between the field device and the SCADA server. And the field device would typically include an RTU, a PLC, an IED, a VSD, or a data logger. A SCADA server usually provided by various vendors such as ABB, Schneider, Siemens, Honeywell, and Rockwell. DNP3 has a very wide application. It can be used in many industries, specifically in water utility industry, and the oil and gas and the power electrical system industry. The benefits of using DNP3 is enormous. The first benefit is it will provide time-based data and event, which means that the clients will be able to have a traceability of what's happened with their operation within the plant or within any assets that they want to control and monitor. The second benefit is it would have a different alarm classes and event classes, which help the clients to classify and filter the data in whichever way they want it. And the third benefit is the clients be able to configure the SCADA server to remotely download the configuration to the field devices. This provides such a useful benefits to the clients to restore the field devices configuration to a default level should there be anything happen to the site. And the final benefit is the security. DNP3 offers so many security features that will enable the clients have a very safe, secure operation technology network. There are many other similar protocols used in the industry, such as Modbus, such as Profitbus, Profitnet, whereas DNP3 has these unique advantages, such as traceability, time-stamped record, unsolicited messages, event-driven data, security, peer-to-peer communications, and all of this will enable the clients to have a much better, much more efficient systems that would lower the maintenance and operation cost. ACE has an impressive track record on implementing DNP3 protocol in Australia, especially in the water utility industry. For example, there are two major projects that we did in the past. One that we did in 2017. The project included over 150 sites. And the second project that we did had over 250 sites. ACE uses a very stringent and accredited engineering process for developing DNP3 related projects.